हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ताच चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 9 Geography chapter number 1 distributional maps textbook questions and answers. So let's start. Question number 1 आहे give reasons why the following sentences are right or wrong. तर फर्स्ट आहे त्यामध्ये the main aim of distributional maps is to show location. त्यामध्ये आन्सर आहे घेऊया आपण आन्सर wrong. The main aim of distributional maps is to show the distribution of variables like temperature, rainfall, population, etc. Distribution maps are types of thematic maps. These maps are prepared with special themes like the distribution of various variables in a particular region. They make use of different methods to show the distribution of variables like temperature, rainfall, population, etc. Thus, the main aim of distributional maps is to show the distribution of variables in a particular region. Second आहे in choropleth maps only one value is assigned to the sub administrative unit. Answer आहे right. In choropleth maps the data regarding various geographical variables is shown by shading or using tints of various colors. After gathering the data for a selected variable, 5 to 7 classes are made considering the smallest and the largest values. Each class is assigned a tint of the same color or black and white patterns. A particular value shown by predecided tint of color can represent only a particular region or a group of regions. Thus, in choropleth maps, only one value is assigned to sub-administrative unit. Okay. So next is third आहे in choropleth maps, colors or tints do not change according to the values of the variables. Answer आहे wrong. In choropleth maps, colors or tints change according to the values of variables. In choropleth maps, the smallest and the largest value are taken into consideration, and after that 5 to 7 classes are made. Each class is assigned a unique tint of the same color or black and white pattern. In other words, each class is used to show the distribution of a particular variable in sub-administrative unit. Fourth आहे in choropleth maps are used to show altitudes. Answer आहे wrong. Isopleth maps and not the choropleth maps are used to show the altitude. When the distribution of a variable is continuous like the altitude, the isopleth maps is used. Isopleth method map is used. Isopleth maps use lines joining the location having equal values and hence are useful to show the change in altitude in the region. When the distribution of a variable is discontinuous, the choropleth methods map is used to show its distribution. Example, distribution of population, domestic animals, and etc. Fifth आहे isopleth maps are used to show the population distribution. Answer wrong. Dot method maps or choropleth maps method maps are used to show the population distribution. Distribution of a population is discontinuous. Isopleth method maps are used to show the distribution of variables which are continuous. For example, altitude, temperature, etc. Thus, isopleth method maps are used to show the population distribution. Sixth आहे in a dot method, every dot should have appropriate scale. Answer right. The size of the dot is decided as per the value of a variable that is freely scattered across the region. Seventh आहे isopleth maps are not made using isolines. Answer wrong. Isopleth maps are made using isolines. Isolines are lines joining place of same values of a given variable in a map. Since isopleth maps are also prepared in the same method, we can say that they are made using isolines. Then next, Eighth आहे distribution of various geographical elements can be shown using dot method. Answer wrong. Distribution of various geographical elements cannot be shown using dot method. Distribution of geographical elements which are freely scattered across a region can be shown using a dot method. Distribution of variables like population, minerals, cattle, etc. are freely scattered, hence can be shown on a dot method map, whereas the distribution of variables like rainfall, altitude, temperature, etc. which are continuous cannot be shown using a dot method map. Question 2 आहे answer in brief. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे explain the use and types of distributional maps. Answer is use of distributional maps. The distributional maps are useful for explaining the patterns of distribution of a particular geographical variable. The types of distributional maps. The following are the types of distributional maps. So first is dot method. The distributional map method based on the statistical data made by this method make use of dots or of a pre-decided size to show the distribution of a particular variable. Example, dot method map is used to show the population of a region, distribution of a cattle, etc. Choropleth method. The distributional map made by this method makes use of shades or tints of various colors to show the distribution of a particular variable. Example, choropleth method map is used to show the population density, types of forest cover, uses of land. Third आहे isopleth method. The distributional map method by this method makes use of lines joining location or places having same or equal values of a particular variable. Example, isopleth method map is used to show the altitude, temperature and rainfall. Second आहे differentiate between choropleth and isopleth method. First, in choropleth method. In choropleth method maps, the distribution of various variables are shown by shading or using tints of the same color. In isopleth method maps, the distribution of various variables are shown with the help of isolines. When the distribution of a variables is not continuous, the choropleth method is used. When the distribution of variables is continuous, the isopleth method is used. Choropleth method is used to show the population density, cattle distribution, etc. and isopleth method is used to show the altitude, temperature, rainfall of a region, etc. Question number 3, explain with reasons the method which is best suited to show the distribution of population in a region. So answer आहे the dot method of making distributional map is best suited to show the distribution of a population in a region. The dots used in this method are given a particular value which is determined by selecting a proper scale considering the spread of a values of the variables in the given region. This method is best suited to show the distribution of the variables which are freely scattered, as in the case of population distribution. Then next, question number 3 is which method will you use for the following information. So first आहे त्यामध्ये तालुका वाइज wheat production in the district. Answer is dot method. Distribution of the altitude of the land in the district. Answer is isopleth method. Distribution of domestic animals in the state. Answer is dot method. Fourth is distribution of population density in India. Answer is choropleth method. Fifth is temperature distribution in Maharashtra state. Answer is isopleth method. Fourth is study the population distribution map of Kolhapur district and answer the following questions. So first question is which method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district. Answer is the dot method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district. Second is explain the direction wise distribution of the population from the dense to sparse. Answer is the distribution of the population is dense in the eastern part of the district, whereas the western part of the district has low density of a population. Third is what is the population shown by the largest circle and which place is that. Answer is the population shown by the largest circle is nearly 20 lakhs. That place is Kolhapur city. Karveer Taluka. Fourth is which taluka has the least population? Answer is Gangabauda Taluka has the least population. So let's see. अशा प्रकारे इथे आपला जो चॅप्टर होता फर्स्ट चॅप्टर जिओग्राफीचा त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेले आहेत. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स. कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.